This is a patch we're putting on our old canoe here. It had a leak, and we tried fiberglass and other things. I found a video on here of somebody taking a 5-gallon bucket, cutting it and making patch strips, taking a heat gun here, melting it out and patching it up. This is our last patch. It doesn't look pretty, but it holds. Just take little pieces of a 5-gallon bucket and melt it on here. We're about to fill it up with water, and I'll see what it does. Stay tuned. Well, the boat's about full. It's just getting to the part where the patches are. It's just starting to get here, and no water so far. Completely bone dry. Let's go to the other side and take a look. I had to put a patch here. No water whatsoever. It looks ugly, but it holds. Completely dry. It's the old fiberglass. We tried to fiberglass it and didn't work too well. I just decided not to even chip that off. Once the water hits it, it's going to fall off anyway, so that was a terrible idea. But there you guys go. How you can patch an old canoe or a kayak with a 5-gallon bucket and melt it down. Here's the 5-gallon bucket I cut holes out of and patched it up. Wanted to do a quick update. Water's been in for about an hour now, and you see it's completely full. And here's the patches. I have splashed around a little bit, but as you can see, no water leakage.